Elena starts her shift like every other day. Cart fully stocked, clipboard in hand. She has 15 minutes per room. Her first task awaits down the corridor. Protocol first. She knocks 3 times and announces herself. A moment of silence confirms the room is empty. Safety and professionalism are non-negotiable. She enters carefully, scanning the space before committing fully. The keycard beeps. The door closes behind her. The clock starts now. A quick visual inventory tells her what needs attention. Rumpled bedding, scattered towels, room service debris. She nods. This is manageable. She's done it hundreds of times. Natural light transforms the space instantly. It reveals every detail that needs attention, and creates an atmosphere that guests immediately appreciate. She strips the entire bed in seconds. A practiced motion refined through repetition. Fresh linens are essential. Guests notice immediately. Dirty linens bundle together and go directly into her cart's laundry compartment. Organization keeps the system running smoothly. The fresh sheet snaps open with precision. She smooths it flat across the mattress in one fluid motion. Muscle memory from years of practice. Hospital corners are the hallmark of professional bedmaking. Tight, precise, immaculate. It's the difference between adequate and exceptional. Each pillow gets a firm fluff, symmetrically placed. A fluffy pillow signals comfort and care. Small details that leave lasting impressions. She moves to the bathroom with tactical efficiency. Every damp towel is collected. Floor, rack, shower. Nothing is overlooked. The Z-pattern technique eliminates streaks. Microfiber cloth, precision wiping. Crystal clarity. Guests see themselves perfectly reflected. Fresh towels are arranged symmetrically. The hand towel folds into a precise triangle. These details elevate the entire bathroom experience. Parallel vacuum lines crisscross the carpet. Each pass captures dust and debris. The visual result is clean, and the air quality improves measurably. Amenities are arranged with precision. Shampoo, conditioner, lotion, soap. Each bottle aligned. The tissue folds into an elegant point. Luxury through attention to detail. Disinfectant spray meets the sink. Circular motions. The taps must shine. They're the first thing guests notice about bathroom cleanliness. Every surface is disinfected and organized. Lamp, remote, notepad. All aligned perfectly. Order and cleanliness work together to create a professional space. A final scan. Bed impeccable. Bathroom spotless. Surfaces gleaming. 15 minutes complete. The room is ready for its next guest. She marks the room complete, peels off the occupied tag, and moves forward. 8 more rooms today. The routine continues, methodical, efficient, professional. Room cleaning is an art form.